I'm gonna throw this right at you guys. I'm the Dungeon Coach, and I create YouTube videos on Dungeons and Dragons and how to play it in new and creative ways. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but before I did YouTube videos, I would watch videos literally in slow motion and frantically take notes of what that person was saying. But now I am that person, so I wanna be aware of that. So I make PDFs alongside my videos. I thought this was something really important that I wanted to give my audience, but I had no way of being able to do that. I have no idea how to make a website, be able to upload stuff to it, and they can download stuff from there. So that's where Spring came in. So now with a lot of my YouTube videos, I have PDFs that go right alongside it, and all I do is go into a Google Doc, type it up, upload that to an InDesign template to make it look real nice, and then upload it to Spring. And this is the craziest part. Everybody's seen that little merchandise shelf on YouTube videos, but to actually put a PDF there is absolutely mind-blowing that I'm talking about this product that I'm selling, PDF, and it's literally right there to click on. And since I've added these digital resources, my sales have gone up 10 times what they used to be, and 90% of everything I do comes from those digital resources.